Hey guys, it's Jason with J-Dog's Garage here. I've had a bunch of questions about the setup on my S2000 here recently, so doing a little bit of work to it today. So I figured it would take you around, give you an overview on the setup, and then at the end I've got a video or some video footage of just driving around, so you can kind of see the response from this turbo kit. It was total in the front, no drivetrain, so we saved this one from the junkyard. The engine is fairly stock. It is an AP2 engine, but it has Nippon Racing AP1 sort of stock replacement pistons. You get those on eBay. I've been super happy with the performance on these things. It's been very well abused, and they have not broken. So this car is also the one we did the Block's timing chain tensioner on. It's still in there. Nothing of note to report other than it hasn't broken yet. So we've probably got about 4,000 miles on it since, and a track day since we did the install. So the turbo kit is a P-tuning hot side with a Garrett G25 550 turbo. In the video you'll be able to see the boost. It's got a 14-pound spring in the wastegate, but it's not holding 14 pounds. So what I was doing today is hooking up boost control solenoid, so see if we can get some more boost out of it. The intercooler setup is left over from a Vortex supercharger. It's been modified. It actually works really well for this setup. I've just got a transmission cooler, no idea where it came from, for the heat exchanger, and stock radiator. Pretty much everything else in the engine stock. It's got 1700 cc FIC injectors, I believe. So the wheels, Racing Heart CPO 35, some OG JDM stuff, X Performance big brake kit with the Willwood 6-piston caliper, 13-inch rotor that's actually from an Acura MDX on Coney yellows with Ibot springs. Then for the rear end, I don't know if we can see that in there. It's got an X Performance diff kit with the DSS axles. Super happy with that. No issues there at all. Hard dog roll bar, and that's pretty much it. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll for the drivability video and everything later on. But like I said, this is a super simple setup that works incredibly well. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you and answer those. Thanks.